Australia is treated as a marketplace, as a separate marketplace. Amazon will oftentimes link marketplaces up. So in America, North America, if you have got an Amazon.com account, then that also gives you access to Amazon.com, Amazon.ca, and also Amazon.mx in Mexico. So Canada and Mexico gives you access to those as well from the one account. Here in Oz, you get access to Japan. In the UK, you get access to Europe, etc., etc., etc. So check that before. For the most part, though, you will need a different email address per account. So if I am, just to be super clear, if I am thinking of selling on Amazon.com.au, I need an email address for that. And I will pay a fee for that. If I am selling on Amazon.com, I will need an email address for that, and I will pay a fee to sell on that. Now, I can use the same debit card or credit card, whatever it may be, across platforms. That's fine. But Amazon works on the email address, so that has to be different. If I am selling on Amazon in Canada, I just need a new email address. Again, I'll have to pay the fee, but I can use the same credit and debit card again. So I hope that's clear. That's how it works on Amazon. Hey, thanks so much for watching that video, and I hope that you got some massive value from it. Before you go, do you live in Australia? If you do, this is for you. Would you like to learn how to sell things on Amazon here in Australia? Would you like to know what sells really, really well and what sells for the maximum amount of profit? Would you like to know where you can source those products from, whether that be in China or here in Australia, and how to source them so you pay bottom dollar and get maximum value for what you're doing? If you do, please subscribe to my channel and like this video, and you'll learn that and much more. It's the exact same information that people like Jeff from New South Wales have used to make $45,000 a month on Amazon, that Sue, who's from the sunny coast, has used to purchase herself a brand spankly BMW every single year as a result of her e-commerce business, and the lovely Kate from Bowral in New South Wales has used to make $32,000 a year on, a month, not a year, a month on Amazon, and indeed Anthony, who makes $15,000 a month on Amazon, selling, as he puts it, odds and sods. If you'd like to learn the exact same information that they use to maximize their profits for their Amazon businesses, subscribe to this video, like my channel, post below if you want me to teach you something. Okay, I'm out of here. Speak to you soon. Bye. Subscribe. Do it now.